Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video we're doing a very casual no makeup look. So a good friend of mine, the last time she came over to hang out, she brought me a present. So sweet. This is the Galaxy Chic palette by BH Cosmetics. Look at these colors, y'all. Whoa! Gorgeous. So I know that this isn't like the newest of releases, but I have never seen it before, and I certainly don't have any colors like this. Holy moly. So when I opened it up, I got so excited and I really wanted to do something fun. So today we are unleashing our inner mermaid and doing this super fun look. So if you want to see how I put this together, then just hang out. Wait a second. One more thing. Ruby's Instagram is super adorable and you should really go follow her because she's the cutest. She's right here. That's Ruby. Okay, let's get into it. So this palette isn't new to the beauty sphere, but it is brand new to me. I'm super excited about it. Look how pretty these colors are. Garg. So they're 18 color baked shadows. They all look like they have like a shimmer, not necessarily a shimmer, but at least like a satin finish, not foiled or glittery, but these are gonna be super fun and super easy to blend. So my plan is to really use the shadow colors that I just don't have represented anywhere else in my collection. And that means like blues and greens. Definitely don't have anything like that at all. Wowee, like I don't even know where to start. Ugh. So you know what, let's zoom in a little bit, okay? How's that? Hi. So I'm going to start with this gorgeous color Earth and start in the crease. I don't know, let's just sketch it out. Let's just sketch out the shape. So a halo eye, if you've never seen a makeup tutorial before, is where the color goes up and over the eye and then it's a little bit lighter in the center. We are going to attempt that today. That is pretty frosty. I like it. Okay, I'm going to dip into Neptune. Let's deep it. Fallout. Oh my god. Nope. You will. Ah! No ma'am. You will not get me today. So when you're dealing with deeper colors, you're probably gonna get some fallout, and that could totally ruin your makeup. So you can either do your eyes first and then everything else, but that's just, I don't really like to do that. Or you could just pack on some translucent powder, do your eyes, and then at the end, anything that fell down onto the powder, you can just brush it away. That was close. And let's get in there, get in that crease. So we're pulling this outer edge out ever so slightly. It's not going to be like a super duper crazy wing with the color, but we might do a winged eyeliner today. What do you think? You wanna do it? I think we are good there. Now what I want to do is I'm going to take a pointed brush. It's a pointed crease brush. It's dirty. Don't look at it. This is from Glamour Dolls. Where did I get this? This came in a subscription box of some kind. I'm gonna dip into this deepest purple tone and see what we get happening here. And I want to lay that just in the crease, just to deepen it. I'm not trying to turn this purple. I'm just trying to darken it a little bit. With no added color on that original brush. Very lightly, remember, back it up to the very end of this brush, and let's blend. With a eyeshadow packing brush. This is from e.l.f. and I really love it. We're gonna go into this color Comet, and I'm going to lay that right in the center. Woo! Yes, 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 yes. It's not as green on as I felt like it looked in the pan, but that's okay. Man, that is pretty. This is mermaid vibes right here. ladies. Before I dust away the translucent powder, I'm going to go back into Neptune, that's the darker blue, and we're gonna go ahead and work this lower lash line. I wanna do this now while the powder is still there, and then we can touch up and finalize the look later. You know, we're just going for a casual grocery store look today. No big. Okay, so when you're ready to brush away the extra powder, you wanna use a very fluffy brush, and you are just sweeping it away, up and out. There's another light green color in the palette called Meteor. I'm gonna use my finger, pick a finger, any finger, and I wanna tap that just in the very, very, very center. So where we already have a highlight with this lighter tone, it's gonna even bring that out even more. The eyeliner color for the wet line that I'm using today is by Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Liner, gel pencil, and the color is called Silken Turquoise. It's very exotic and chic. It's very like a peacock blue color, and that is not at all the color that we're using here, but I feel like this is getting a little pastel, and I'm not mad at the pastel, but I want to make it a little more bold. So we're gonna go into the bottom wet line, so it's keeping it bold and fun. Okay, so do we want to do a winged liner? Not really, but I think it could be really pretty. So for that today, I'm gonna use this Pretty Vulgar gel pot. This packaging is a pain in the butt. It's a super deep well. Like, you really gotta dig your brush like and have good light. Like, how is a normal person that doesn't have studio lights gonna be able to, I don't know, whatever, but it came in the BoxyCharm. I've used it once before and it actually goes on pretty nice. It's just this container is stupid, man. It's just stupid. So I am going to do a winged liner. So the kind of winged liner that I'm gonna do is the same as I did in the Jessica video, and I will link the Jessica video right there. So I finished the liner, and the good thing about this gel liner, especially for my gals with more mature crepey eyelids like me, sometimes when you're doing a winged liner, sometimes meaning all the time, when you're doing a winged liner, you get skipping and stuff on your lid, and with a gel liner you don't really get that. So it's a little easier to finesse it. You could get as sharp a line, or you could smudge it a little bit. I did a little smudgy, so I'm kind of in the middle. So I'm not like a smoky wing, but it's not like a sharp cut-you wing. Lashes today, because we're doing a wing liner, are going to be flared out on the edges. These are the NYX Wicked Lashes, and I've already got one on. This one is glued, and the glue is drying, so I need to hurry up. I also put mascara on. Duh. As if you didn't know. Man, those go on pretty nice. I must say, wow, I am old. Shit! With the liner, you will also notice that I took the line sort of past the tear duct a little bit, right there. It just makes for a more feline eye. I only have one coat of mascara on the bottom lashes, so I'm gonna go in with another using L'Oreal Voluminous, because you know it's my jam and I love it. Old Faithful, man. Old Faithful. Where was I? The other day, somebody, a friend of mine, complimented my bottom lashes, and I was like, girl, thanks, but really? I have like 4 lashes and they're pitiful. So what I want to do now, just to kind of blow out the bottom lash line a little bit more, I'm gonna go back into this Galaxy Chic palette. I know that's not how you say it. And I'm gonna take, this is meant to be a lip brush. This is by e.l.f. This is the lip defining brush, but I really like it because, can you see how little it is? But it's longer, so it's a little more flexible. So I'm gonna grab that seafoamy green and bring it under the lash line just a little bit more. Where could you wear this look? You know, you could wear it wherever you want. Okay, let's just be clear about that. But, you know, this could be a cool, like, girls' getaway weekend, or party, date night. If you want to be a mermaid for Halloween, you just file this away for later. So, for the inner corner today, this is actually really cool. This is by NYX. This is the NYX Extreme Shine Liner in the color Platinum. This thing is silvery. I'm just kind of doing tapping motions because it's so strong of a pencil. You gotta be careful, you will have a weird situation happening. With a look like this, I mean, you can go as nuts as you want, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go a little more neutral so we can keep the focus on our eyes that we spent so much time on. And I'm gonna do just like a neutral lip, but more of a peachy tone because the blush that I used today was more peachy. So I'm gonna go in with NYX Matte Lip Liner in the color London, which is really more of like a clay tone neutral. On top of that, I'm gonna go in with NYX Matte Lipstick in the color Bear With Me. And then, just because I want to, I'm gonna go in with Dose of Colors, DESI KATY collection, no shade, but only in the middle. I think we are done. Okay, this is the final look. I hope you like it. Go forth and be mermaids this summer. By the way, have you guys tried the Starbucks pineapple black tea? It's delish. Lipstick all over the straw. Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching this video. If you liked it, then please tell me with a thumbs up. You can see more videos like this by subscribing to this YouTube channel. I put out a new video here on YouTube every Thursday at noon Eastern Standard Time. You can also follow my life shenanigans on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitters. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye! How much of that was in focus? Thank you so much. Whatever the hell this is. Fuck. Okay, I'm just old. Next. Today. Today we are. Today. Can you hear me? Hello? Can you even see what I'm doing? Hang on a second. I gotta figure this shit out. This is from Elf. Elf. Haha. As soon as I sat down to film, the people came to mow the grass. So enjoy those sounds.